Hi, Craig Pretziger, one of the co-founders of DroneXspecialists. If you're on this page and you're watching this video, then you're interested and thinking about getting your Part 107 certificate. Now, it's super important for you to get this if you plan on using your drone for commercial use. No matter what anybody tells you, you can go to the FAA website and learn. What we've done is connect with Dr. Brian Sitzer. Got a doctorate in education, 7,000 hours of flight time as a commercial airline pilot, and certified by the FAA to teach this course. So you can go out there, find all kinds of free stuff on the internet, do it yourself. You can pay a couple $100 with some of the other companies to take the course, or you can jump in right now at half the price and get yourself certified. Here's a couple words from the captain.
Hello there, Captain Brian Sitzer, DroneXspecialists. I'm going to be your guide through the rules and regulations of becoming a professional drone pilot. If you're here watching this video, it's because you want to start making money with your drone. I've been a professional pilot for over 20 years. I started as a flight instructor and ultimately made my way to the left seat of commercial airliners. That's right, I'm an airline captain, and my hobby, which I turned into a profession, was drone flying. I have designed a course that contains over 30 short lessons, each specifically designed to get you through the FAA's Airman Knowledge Test. During this time, you're going to see over 100 actual test questions from the Airman Knowledge Test. In fact, you will see over 90% of what you're going to see on the real Airman Knowledge Test that you'll need to become certified as a professional drone pilot. I'm so confident in this product that if you click our Purchase Now button and sign up for this course, I guarantee in a very short time you will be a professional drone pilot. So sign up now and take advantage of our deep discounts that we're currently offering. And I'll see you in class.